Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are back again with our new topic for today, which is Bursa Soal Sila. I'm pretty sure that some of you may or may not have heard about Bursa Soal Sila before. That is completely okay for us because we are going to explain to you what is Bursa Soal Sila and how does it work. So Bursa Soal Sila is one of the capital market that falls under Bursa Malaysia Berhad. So basically, Bursa Malaysia Berhad is the exchange holding company that operates through four segments, which is securities market, derivative market, exchange holding company, and Syariah compliant commodity platform. So in Syariah compliant commodity platform is where the Bursa Soal Sila come into the picture. Okay, so before we are moving to the next topic, so I would like to define the Bursa Soal Sila itself. So Bursa Soal Sila is a combination of Arabic word, which is Bursa itself is a platform, Souk is a market, and Al Sila is a commodity or goods. Okay, so before this, Bursa Soal Sila is known as Commodity Murabaha House and later changed into Bursa Soal Sila that was officially launched by Bursa Malaysia on 17 August 2009. The trading platform operates by Bursa Malaysia via its fully Syariah compliant wholly subsidiary, which is Bursa Malaysia Islamic Services Sila Berhad. Or what I can say in a simple word is Bursa Soal Sila is operates by Bursa Malaysia Islamic Services, or we call it BMIS. The operating hours for Bursa Soal Sila is 15 hours per day and it works for 6 days per week, which is Bursa Soal Sila will close down on Saturday but is open for settlement. Bursa Soal Sila is the world's first multi-currency and multi-commodity that supports the Murabaha transaction, and it also can be done through web application, which is electronically, or through voice broker. Bursa Soal Sila is trading under Syariah principle, which is Murabaha and Tawarruk. So it is initially traded on CPO, or we call it as crude palm oil. Uniqueness of Bursa Soal Sila is can be traded through physical asset trading through online application, which is it can across the border and which is are also flexible for the other traders because it can involve the currency of Ringgit Malaysia and other foreign currency. Okay, now, so we move to the Syariah principle of Bursa Soal Sila. So, as we stated before, we have Murabaha and Tawarruk. So, Murabaha in other languages we call it as cost plus profit sharing. So, it actually where it involves the one party buying the commodity and later sell it to the other party, and the differences of the prices will be the cost by sharing for the first party. So this is called as Murabaha in Islam. So Tawarruk on the other hand is cash financing that involves of commodity. So basically what will happen is the buyer will buy a commodity with deferred payment and later will sell it back to buyer with immediate payment. Okay, so that is the concept of Tawarruk. The diagram shows how the Bursa Soal Sila doing its transactional or the flow of the transactional. For example, Islamic Bank A makes placement to Islamic Bank B, which is at the first step is Islamic Bank A buys commodity from a commodity supplier on spot. Then Islamic Bank A sells commodity to Islamic Bank B on deferred payment basis or credit basis. Next, it will go to Islamic Bank B, which sells the commodity to Bursa Malaysia Islamic Services, and then BMIS sells the commodity back to the market. So you can see the flow then and understand it well. In conclusion, Bursa Soal Sila is one of the Syariah compliant that we should approach and do our transaction there, which is we can prevent ourselves from involved with riba, gara, maisir, and everything something that was prohibited by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala to us. Okay, thank you for watching.